Hi, good evening. My name is Dagnover de Jesús Largo Morales. Código 1059695573. Flow age is deep in the year of planning to the wood of Aruba. Stage 1. In the year 2010, I had the opportunity to travel to Aruba. It's beautiful place we call across of Venezuela coast. I made this trip in the ferry. The ferry resembles a floating island in the west day. Transport cargo over the island. It is a long trip because of the ferry slow speed. I travels for work reason viewed a catalog in the fair beds of the mid trips because it's a very beautiful place and soon because it's in Iceland there come lots of the tourists increases there force in the very plains to interact with people from other cultures, customs, and traditions. Enjoy it because in the delicious sauce for on the my favorite dishes. If there was another opportunity to travel, it will choose to come back to Aruba. Staff's duo. The climate of the Aruban Island is the dream and something climate is characteristic of the coast areas. This way Aruba is on the most with tourists. Destination be tourists because since in the early hours of the day in the sunrise with all the heat splendor in the constant trunks. The day is well as the constant trade wheel, the brick coals, beers, and the land surf that makes the because magic in the picture for locals or visual as like as a recommendation on the island of Aruba is to have good sunscreen or able sunburn products with the sun have good umbrella. The protect yours from the sun of the beach and drink please of fluid of the avoid the dehydration due to head population of the island. Stage 3. The people we are going to travel on the Aruba island. The first day they saw us the visit edge of the beach house in parks which are unique y unifortable as we of ride in four bikes. They've been sailing from and visit the different same fruits. Restaurants which is the delicious and the low costs. People would visit the island of the Aruba, so not footballs because that why they months enjoy in the beautiful place they are free. And another thing they saw the noise that brown garbs of the floor because this have a bad image in the place. They saw not drink liquor signs due to the high temperatures in the can cause problems to people's health. Thank you very much.